Alright, so I think I'm recording. Let's take a look at problem number 4. When they present a relation to us, it's possible that their presentation could be an equation, or it could be a graph, or in this case, just a set of ordered pairs. The parentheses here, the 2, -2, they refer to that as an ordered pair because the order is important. The first value is from the domain, an x value, and the second one is from the range. We typically call that a y value, or x coordinate and y coordinate. So given this a relation, the domain is the set of x's, the set of first numbers of each ordered pair. Now, if a number appears more than once, you don't have to write it more than once in this set when we're listing the elements from the domain. Since this is just a finite number, we can just list them. And we don't have to list them in any specific order, so I'm just going to write them as they appear. You will see people that will have a preference in writing the numbers in ascending or descending order, but it's not required. It's not necessary. So I have a 2, a -4, a 1. Now, I've already listed 2. Once you're in, so I'm not going to list 2 again. In fact, you're not supposed to list it more than once. And then we have 0. So this is the set that's referred to as the domain set. It's the set of x's. Now the range is the set of y values. And again, if we have any member in the set, once you're in, you don't list it twice. So I have a -2. I'm just going to list the y coordinates of each pair. A 1, a -4, a -3, and a +3. So a relation is any set of ordered pairs, which might be, like I say, given to us an equation with 2 variables x and y. It might be given to us as plotting points on a graph. And those it might be a continuous graph, or it might just be dots on the graph. Well, a function is a rule that assigns to every element in the domain a unique element in the range. By unique, they mean exactly 1. So, excuse me, we have a little bit of a problem here. This relation is not going to be promoted to the title of function, because when we say what is 2 related to, well, you can look at this list of values and you might answer, and you would be correct to say, well, 2 is related to -2. But over here, 2 is also related to -3. So therefore, this relation is not a function, because every member of the domain has to correspond to exactly one element in the range. So no, this is not a function. Alright, so let's see what... So we'll do this next block in another video because they're all similar.